So today I'll show you how to pair your PS5 controller to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So first thing you want to do is go to Bluetooth. So go to settings, connections, Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on. And with Bluetooth on, it's going to automatically start scanning for available devices. So what you need to do is put your controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. And for the PS5 controller, what you need to do is press and hold the PS button and the sharing button together until the light here starts blinking rapidly. So PS button and share button, 1, 2, go, press and hold. Just press and hold these two buttons. And you can see the controller blinking. That means it's in pairing mode. So now your tablet should detect. Now, if it stops scanning, you need to tap on scan again so it can start scanning again. And now you can see it's been detected, DualSense wireless controller. Tap on it. And then there's going to be a pairing request. Just tap on pair. And now it's paired and connected. So now if you have some compatible games like Call of Duty and some other kind of games, you can actually play with your controller. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.